Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So, today we will learn the uses of the chatbots of artificial intelligence we learned in the previous video. So, artificial intelligence has been a part of our daily life. So, let's discover those. So, first, ChatGPT and that's why OpenAI. People use ChatGPT for content creation, whether it's writing blog posts, drafting emails, or even generating video scripts. And it is also used widely by programmers and developers. You can paste your code, ask for bug fixes, or even request new code snippets. For example, a beginner can ask ChatGPT to explain Python in simple words, while a professional developer might use it to speed up software development. Beyond that, ChatGPT is a study partner for students, from helping with homework to summarizing textbooks. It saves hours of research. And finally, businesses like ChatGPT use ChatGPT in customer support. Instead of waiting on a call, customers can get quick answers from an AI trained on company information. So, people use ChatGPT for content creation. वो स्क्रिप्ट्स बनवाते हैं, they get ideas for content and just that. And it is widely used by programmers and developers, means code developers. They can give code they have made, and they can ask that I want this in the code, and ChatGPT will make them a new code, or if there is a bug in that, so ChatGPT can fix that also. And ChatGPT also is used in customer support. So some people do that on the website page. There is a chatbot. It's not ChatGPT. It's their chatbot, but having the company information and linked with ChatGPT API. So next is Microsoft Copilot, but it is unlike ChatGPT. It lives inside every Microsoft app. In Word, it can help draft reports or letters instantly. In Excel, it can analyze thousands of rows of data, create charts, or find insights that would normally take hours. In Outlook, Copilot is used to summarize long email chains, draft professional replies, and even prioritize your inbox. And in Teams, it can create meeting notes automatically, saving time for managers and employees. Copilot is focused on productivity in offices, making it a daily assistant for millions of professionals. So basically, जो Copilot है, it's 2-in-1. As I told in the previous video, that it integrates with other Microsoft apps as well, like Microsoft 365. So, and it also answers questions like ChatGPT answers. So next, Claude, developed by Anthropic. Claude is built with an emphasis on safety and ethical AI. Many users rely on Claude to handle large amounts of text. For example, you upload a 100-page research paper or a legal contract. Claude can summarize it into key points in just minutes. Writers also use Claude for storytelling and creative writing because it's designed to be helpful and harmless. So many users feel comfortable using Claude in sensitive areas like education and research. So many writers use Claude in storytelling and creative writing. Claude is an safety and ethical AI. Some people use Claude in sensitive situations like education, and we should not do that. So next, Google Gemini. Developed by DeepMind and Google. Gemini is integrated directly into Google's ecosystem. In Google search, it provides more conversational answers, almost like having an assistant inside the search bar. In Gmail, it helps draft emails and summarize long threads. And on Android devices, Gemini powers smart assistance features like analyzing images, explaining concepts, or even helping with coding tasks. What makes Gemini unique is multimodal ability. It can understand and respond using text, images, and even code. So जो Gemini है, उसमें it is now 3-in-1. It integrates with Google Apps. It can help you in your Android phone. It can give you answers. Android phones. In this concept of Android phones in Gemini is that एंड्रॉयड फ़ोन की जो कंपनी है जिससे आप ले रहे हो वो तो आपको फीचर्स देगी ही. गूगल उसमें असिस्टेंट होगा, कुछ नहीं देते हैं. दे हैव डिफ़ॉल्ट असिस्टेंट गूगल इज, और कुछ देते हैं और उनके साथ जेमिनी भी होता है, एंड दैट्स वेरी हेल्पफुल. सो नेक्स्ट, Perplexity AI that was not included in last video. Perplexity AI takes a different approach. Instead of just generating answers from training, it combines AI with the latest information from the web. It's extremely popular among students, researchers, and journalists who need fact-based answers with citations. For example, if you ask Perplexity about today's news or the latest stock market updates, it will show results along with the sources it used. This makes it a trusted tool for anyone who wants accuracy and transparency, not just quick answers. So basically, Perplexity is created by Arvind Srinivas and is the CEO and co-founder of Perplexity. Johnny Ho, Dennis Yaratz and Andy Konvinsky. And Perplexity is a trusted tool. if मतलब वो एक ट्रस्टेड है फॉर यूजर्स दैट इसने सही आंसर ही दिया है कि इसने हर जगह चेक करके दिया है मेरे को, तो आई ट्रस्ट दिस. नेक्स्ट, IBM Watson. IBM Watson is one of the earliest famous AI chatbots. In healthcare, Watson helps doctors analyze patient data, medical history, and research papers to recommend treatment. In finance, bank uses Watson for fraud detection and risk analysis. And customer service, Watson has been deployed in call centers to reduce waiting times and handle routine queries. Watson paved the way for how businesses use AI on a large scale. So, IBM Watson is, it's used everywhere, like in healthcare also, in finance also, in customer care also, customer service also. And Watson ने प्रूफ कर दिया, उसने वे दिखा दिया कि बिजनेसेस कैसे एआई को यूज करते हैं ऑन लार्ज नोटिसेस. Other developer platforms. Finally, there are developer-focused platforms like Rasa, Botpress, Deep Pavlov, Bit.ai, and Bot.ai. These aren't chatbots for everyday use, but rather tools that let companies build their own assistants. They are widely used in e-commerce, customer support, and app development, giving the freedom to design chatbots that fit their specific requirements. So, जो developer coding है, actually these are the coding platforms. तो ये tools हैं of coding, of building own chatbots and own coding, and it is widely used in customer support, e-commerce, and app development. So, from ChatGPT for creativity to Copilot for office productivity, Claude for safe summarization, Gemini for multimodal tasks, Perplexity for research, and Watson for enterprise AI. Chatbots are transforming world in unique ways. So, which chatbot do you think has a main impact on daily life? Let me know in comments, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel Knowledge with Bhavya. This is me, Bhavya Goyal, signing out.